I am so excited. So excited. Oh my soul. I'm so excited to open this. Okay, I can't open this. Hold on. How pretty they are. They're pink. These ones are so beautiful. I'm not crying. Look how beautiful this box is. It's shiny. These are the Vision 8 goggles. Look how beautiful that strap is. Look how gorgeous that is. I love this. I love that. Look at them. Little baggy. These are the Vision 5. Look how beautiful. Look how nice that lens is. So beautiful. I'm going to cry. I just want to say a huge thank you to Langston Motorsports and alpinestars for sending me this. I'm so excited to try it out. I am in disbelief. I dropped that on my phone.